Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Precious. Yes, my name is Precious. So this is another pregnancy update video, and a lot has happened. Obviously, from the last time I posted, I think I posted, the last one was the 21 and 22 2 weeks pregnancy update. This is the pregnancy update video of 23, 24 and 25, 3 weeks combined. And I can tell you that a lot has happened in these 3 weeks. Oh wow, a lot has happened. But before we go ahead to tell you what has happened in these 3 weeks, I want to give a shout out to 3 amazing people. The first shout out goes to Sumera Ali. The second shout out goes to Prophet Bright. And the third shout out goes to Caroline Paul. Thank you so much for dropping your comment on the comment section of my video. If you want a shout out, please drop a comment on the comment section of this video, and I'm definitely going to give you a shout out. Follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, and also on Twitter. Thank you so much. So 3 weeks pregnancy update, 3 all together. What has happened this week? I want to talk about the baby first of all. So at week 23, the baby is the size of a mango and is measuring 28.9 centimeter. And on week 24, I'm just going to read it out. And on week 24, the baby is the size of the ear of a corn and about 30 centimeter measuring. On week 25, the baby is the size of an average Swede, 24.6 centimeter. That is absolutely amazing. And also this week, what I can say is happening with the baby is that the bone marrow, which is actually what produces our cells, our blood cells, has not taken the function of producing the blood cells of the baby. Yeah, so before the bone marrow took over, it was the liver and the spleen that was producing the red blood cell. But now the bone marrow has taken the duty of producing red blood cell for the baby. So that's an amazing step that has happened, amazing growth that has happened with the baby. But so far everything is fine. But with me, a lot has happened this week. Honestly, these 3 weeks, a lot has happened. I had my whooping cough and my what's it called, flu jab vaccine. Those are the 2 vaccines I had, flu and whooping cough vaccine. So I've always had flu jab. If you don't know, because of where I work, every year I've always had flu jab, and when I'm pregnant, I've always had flu jab as well. But this time, for some reason, after I had my flu jab vaccine and my whooping cough vaccine, I was so unwell. I'm gonna be showing you video of me. I was just literally unwell the whole of that weekend because I had it on a Friday. On Saturday, my arms were swollen, very sore, and I was really unwell. The whole of the Saturday, I was just lying down on this sofa. I'm going to be showing you a video of me just that weekend, so you know what happened. Hi guys. So today, I just want to give you guys updates on what's going on. So I had my flu vaccine yesterday, flu vaccine and whooping cough vaccine yesterday, and I'm feeling very unwell from the vaccine. I think that's one of the side effects anyway of having flu vaccine. I've never had this side effects before, but I've got like headache, very tired, and obviously my arms are very heavy because I had whooping cough on this arm and the flu vaccine on this arm. So my hands are so sore, and I've got like a flu-like symptom today. I'm just trying to rest, basically. Hopefully, today is Saturday, so hopefully by tomorrow. So maybe by tomorrow I would be able to feel a lot better. But today I'm just trying to get some rest. The aim is to protect myself and to protect the baby. That's why I've had the vaccine. I think whooping cough vaccine is mainly for the baby, to protect the baby before 8 weeks when the baby is due, and the flu vaccine is just to protect myself. And like I said, I've never had symptoms, or sorry, side effects of having the flu vaccine. This is actually my first time. So now I understand why people refuse to take flu vaccine. Well, to be fair, it's fine. Another thing that happened this week as well is that I went for my glucose tolerance test. Now, if you don't know, glucose tolerance test is a test that you do just to make sure that you don't have diabetes, a pregnancy-induced diabetes. So I went for my glucose tolerance test, and thankfully I vlogged it. So I'm going to be showing you a vlog as well of me going for my glucose tolerance test. Guys, I'm here for my appointment. Waiting time begins. Take my mask off. Yeah, so it's 9 o'clock now, basically. So I'm gonna be here for a long time. I'll let you know how it goes and update you on everything. We've got other ladies here as well, so it's all about waiting game. I'm gonna be watching some movies and doing some research and all of that. And yeah. So this is the waiting area. As you can see, everywhere is well spaced out, social distancing. Everyone is keeping safe, especially for the pregnant women. So it's amazing what they've done, how they've changed stuff just to keep everyone safe. So sometimes it just reminds me that if these people can do this much to keep us safe, why not we keep ourselves safe as well? So yeah, so I've just had my blood taken there, and I've been given this drink to take within 10 minutes. I'm going to take it like straight away. Yeah, it's called, it's like a strawberry kind of drink. It's called glucose tonic. So I have to drink it now because I have to drink it within 10 minutes basically. Oh, this is good. It wasn't that bad, to be honest. It tastes good. Let's see. The waiting time begins 2 hours to wait. So I'm gonna be waiting for 2 hours now. Then they'll take my blood again. Oh God, I'm tired. So I'm still waiting. We're waiting for like 2 hours now. And I'm tired now. I'm actually tired. So guys, I've just finished my glucose tolerance test. I am very hungry. I'm just looking for where to go to the office now and get food. Get some food and eat. They're gonna give me a call to let me know what the result is. And I think this is it for now. I am absolutely hungry. Very, very much hungry. But yeah, everything went well. I spent I think approximately 3 hours, like they said. This is past 11. Yeah, Thank you so much, guys. So yeah, so thankfully the results of the, I hope you enjoyed the vlog anyway. Thankfully the result of the glucose tolerance test came out negative. So what that means is that I am not prone to having diabetes, gestational, yeah, that's the word, gestational diabetes in this pregnancy. So all thanks and all glory to God. But other than that, everything is fine with the baby. I am fine, I am well. Everything I'm experiencing is what every pregnant woman is going to be experiencing, so I cannot complain. I'm just managing my symptoms. So these are the two main things that happened these 3 weeks of my updates, my vaccine, the 2 vaccines that I had, and also what did I have? I went for my glucose tolerance test. Now next week, it's next 2 weeks, which is going to be the last 2 weeks of me being in my 2nd trimester. I'm so excited because I want to end, I'm ready to go into my 3rd trimester now. Like, I'm literally ready to go into my 3rd trimester. So when I did this video, when I filmed this video, everything is fine by the grace of God. Baby is fine. I am fine. Baby is growing well. I am growing well. I am also doing well. I'm praying, if you can also pray with me, that they let me start working from home from 28 weeks because I am physically exhausted. I can't cope anymore. So guys, this is my pregnancy update for week 23, 24, and 25. And if you have any question about my update, please let me know in the comment section. If you're pregnant as well, watching me, I would want to say continue to keep yourself safe, keep yourself well, protect yourself, wear your mask, wash your hands, do all the things that you need to do, and let God do for you the things that you cannot do. And all the people that are looking for the fruit of the womb, I pray that God meets you at the point of your need and also bless you with the gender and the sex of the baby that you want. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be grateful, be positive, and be yourself. See you on my next video.